Everything was ready here at Pima County Superior Court to take Christopher Schultes into custody for the death of his 2-year-old daughter in a hot car. He was already headed for 20 to 30 years in prison. But when the time came for him to stand up and go into custody, he wasn't here.
Please, baby, please. Anything.
Let them focus.
A Marana police body camera caught Christopher Schultes as medical crews tried to save his daughter. Investigators say the day 2-year-old Parker Schultes died, she spent almost 3.5 hours strapped in a car seat in temperatures well over 100 degrees, while her father sat in the living room drinking, playing video games, and watching pornography. He was charged with first-degree murder. This is Christopher Schultes as he looked in one of many hearings before the one where he was to go into custody pending formal sentencing. After rejecting a plea deal 9 months ago, Schultes agreed to accept one after all. He pleaded guilty to second-degree murder. Sentencing was set for November 21st with a punishment range of 20 to 30 years in prison with no chance of parole. Even though he had not been formally sentenced, his guilty plea made prison time a certainty. Schultes was to appear in Judge Kimberly Ortiz court to be taken into custody pending the formal sentencing. He did not appear. Judge Ortiz took the bench, then immediately recessed the court. A few minutes later, prosecutors and Schultes' defense attorney hustled out of an apparent meeting in chambers. None of the attorneys would explain what happened. Then we learned the Maricopa County medical examiner lists Schultes as dead. Maricopa County because Schultes moved his wife and 2 daughters there after Parker Schultes died. The Maricopa medical examiner has shared no details on how Christopher Schultes died. It could be 3 months before autopsy results are available.
Now let's take a look at the terms of that plea agreement that Schultes accepted. It would be sentences running consecutively, meaning one after another, 20 to 30 max of flat time, no eligibility for early release for him. He rejected the initial plea offer of 10 to 24 years in prison.